This is my sixth project with Douglah Designs, and the reason I keep coming back is I know that it's one-stop shopping, and I know at the end I'm going to have quality.
I would just say that for two working parents with two kids, it's the best experience that we could have had to not only save our time but our sanity for getting a really quality project done.
It was a totally smooth experience from start to finish. Layla and her team really helped us figure out what our plan was and walked us through every step of the way, and we got a completed project on time, and it just looks great.
It was as smooth as it could possibly go, and that was absolutely a testament to every single person on site and every piece of planning and how organized they were.
I started my company, Douglah Designs, 20 years ago as a solo designer. Today, we have over 30 employees with hundreds of beautiful projects under our belt. We've staked our reputation on providing the best craftsmanship, quality, and fine design available. We are the designers, material suppliers, and contractor all under one roof.